press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Sometime with just ourselves and not with someone else. Me, myself, and I, at least give it a try. Sometime with just ourselves and not with someone else. Don't give it up, don't give it up. Me